Did you know that 9 out of 10 companies are looking for employees with ChatGPT skills? That's over 91% of firms seeking workers who can effectively use this powerful tool. This statistics alone gives you a compelling reason to master ChatGPT. But how do you get started? With so many courses available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I have done the research for you so you don't have to spend hours shifting through countless options. In this video, I'll share top 6 free ChatGPT courses that comes with certificate as well as 3 premium courses that offer great ROI if you are willing to invest a bit of money. Stick with me and in just few minutes, you'll get the best AI courses that you need to master ChatGPT. And after completing the courses, you can use the certificate in your resume and your chances of getting hired would increase. So I'll tell you later in this video where you can find all these courses listed in a single platform. But before that, let me introduce you with all the free courses and the paid courses. So the first course that we have is ChatGPT for Everyone by GUVL. This is a basic entry-level ChatGPT course where you will also get a free certificate. It is a 1.5 hours long recorded content and more than 3,000 students have already enrolled into it. You'll get a free certificate. The overview is here, the key features. The certification is globally recognized and you will learn all the basic and beginner module of the ChatGPT. This is the syllabus what you are going to learn. See, the coding is also here, and I want to tell you that in this list I have not only added courses for beginners, there are courses for those as well who want to use ChatGPT for marketing, for coding or for any other purposes. So I would suggest you to stay with me till the end because it's not going to be a long video, but it can save a lot of your time. Okay, so you can get all the information on this page, right? So it also got a really good review as well and all the FAQs and all. Now the second course we have is ChatGPT 101. What is ChatGPT? So it has more than 16,000 enrolled learners. Now it is a 1-hour course with 90 days of access. You need to learn this course within 90 days and you will get a free certification after you complete the course. So what you are going to learn? You are going to learn natural processing language, text classification, machine learning and language translation, right? And who should do these courses? So this is not a really beginner level course. As you can see, it is for chatbot developers, AML engineers, data scientists and NLP engineers. So if you are into the developer kind of thing, you can go with this course. But what I would suggest to you is check out all those courses and then decide that which one you should go with, because all these 5 courses are free. So it's okay that you enroll into all of these, right? So yes, you'll get a certificate and you don't need any AI experience to do this course, right? So the third course we have is ChatGPT for beginners. It is a complete beginner course by Great Learning. So it has more than 2.1 lakh learners. You can also enroll into this course for absolutely free and you'll get a free degree or free certificate after you complete this course, right? This is for beginners. About this free certificate, you can know more about it here. Course outline. So these are the things that you are going to learn: script writing, problem report prompts, and keyword generation and usage, marketing prompts and all that. So it's also going to be a really good course. So it is a 2-hour long course. So I have not ranked all these courses, right? So this is according to your need. Which one you think you should go with, you should try that one. Right, now you can also share your certificate because many of the platforms provide you a free course but they don't give you a free certificate. For the certificate you need to pay, but in this case My Great Learning is providing a free certificate right here. Okay, now the fourth course that we have is also from the Great Learning. It is ChatGPT for coders. It is exclusively for the coders. If you are somebody who is learning JavaScript or Python or any other programming languages, I've also suggested you the best courses. You will find the links in the I button. But if you want to use ChatGPT for your coding journey and want to be more productive into it, you can go with this course. So what you will learn? You will learn using ChatGPT and without programming expertise, building programs using ChatGPT, introduction to code interpreter. If you don't know, there's a code interpreter in the ChatGPT. I think it's in the premium version. So debugging with ChatGPT, exception handling, and test with ChatGPT. So I have also tried learning Python through ChatGPT, and it's really worthwhile. And this course will teach you how you can use this powerful tool to help you in your coding journey. Right. Fifth course that we have is prompt engineering for ChatGPT. See, prompt engineering is currently one of the highly demanded skill in the market right now, and the quality of output that you get from ChatGPT depends on the input that you provide, what kind of question you are asking him, how you are asking him the question, what you want. Everything must be clear, that only the tool would be able to give you the correct output. So in this course, you will learn the introduction of generative AI, basics prompt engineering, advanced prompt strategies, crafting effective prompts for LLMs, and prompt optimization. So if you effectively want to use ChatGPT in your day-to-day life or whatever purpose you want, you can go with this course. This is lifetime free access. You'll get a certificate after we complete this course, right? And let me tell you, I have been using ChatGPT from more than 1 year or when the tool got launched, and it's a really good time saver. If you know how to use it, with the long tasks, the automated tasks, you can just do it with a prompt. It's really easy. Just you need to learn how to give it the prompt. So this course will teach you. Now, the sixth one that I have, this is the bonus one. These are all the free courses by Upgrade. Now here we have, if you go to the ChatGPT plus GenAI section, there are some really detailed courses about AI, machine learning, and ChatGPT. Fundamentals of deep learning, 28 hours. How ChatGPT understands you, 11 hours. Artificial intelligence in the real world, 7 hours. ChatGPT for developers, 2 hours. 2 hours, 2 hours, 1.5 hours. So all these courses are absolutely free. You can learn them, but I'm not sure whether you are going to get a certificate with it or not. Oh, yes, you will get a free certificate. Will I get a certificate? Yes, you will get an e-certificate after you complete the course. So it's really good. If you want a deep understanding into the AI field and ChatGPT, you can go with this course. So now if you are still watching this video, it means you are really interested in learning ChatGPT. And let me tell you what, investing in a course can be a really good investment. And investing in a course like learning ChatGPT is really worthwhile. The amount of ROI it gives you is much more than what amount you invest in learning the course. Yes, this is an investment, and I'm going to share top 3 paid ChatGPT courses in this section. So if you are someone who is serious about learning ChatGPT, you want to go deep into it and want to learn in a proper way, I would suggest you to go with a paid course, because if you have any problem, you can ask from the instructor. If you there sometimes the courses are way more well defined, the video quality is really good, and there are communities where you can ask your problem, you can discuss about your growth, which makes the process really fun, and you get a good quality content, right? So the first course that we have is prompt engineering for ChatGPT. It is a paid prompt engineering course by Vanderbilt University, a well-known university. So what you'll learn? You will learn how to apply prompt engineering effectively, how to create complex prompt-based applications for your business, how to use prompt patterns. It will go deep dive into the prompt engineering. Pursue a career into the prompt engineering. I would suggest you to check out this course because it has more than 2.8 lakh learners with more than 2,899 reviews with 4.8 star rating, right? And it is an 18-hour course, so it is going to be a deep course about learning ChatGPT prompt engineering, and you will also get a certificate after you complete it. Now there are 6 modules into this course. Everything you can check out their syllabus, and the videos. You will also get readings, and you will also get assignments to test that whether you have understood the concept properly or not. Okay, now the second course that we have is from Udemy, ChatGPT Complete Guide, Learn Mid-Journey, ChatGPT 4 and more. Okay, so Mid-Journey, if you don't know about it, I don't know, you might be living under the rock, but Mid-Journey is the tool that completely changed the design industry. With a single prompt, you can create realistic images. Even somebody used the image created by Mid-Journey in a photo competition and it got the first prize. It can create that much clarity of images. So it can create that quality of images, right? So this course is a 24-hour on-demand video course with 18 articles, 15 downloadable resources, and you can get all the informations about this course and what you will learn: ChatGPT, productivity, soft skills, AI video tools as well, AI writing tools, branding, business, mid-journey, marketing, AI voice tools, AI photo tools, daily tool, multimodal coding. This is also a really deep course about ChatGPT. And after you learn it, after you complete it, you will get a certificate as well. And this course comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Suppose you get into the course, you find that it is not worthwhile, you can claim a refund, right? Which is good. Now they will teach you how to use ChatGPT for SEO, keywords, ebooks, video scripts, online courses and all that. So it is also a very detailed course. See, what the kind of description they have written is also good. It's in a detailed way. Okay. So I would also recommend you to check out this course as well. Now the third course is what we have is Master ChatGPT and 20 plus AI tools in just 3 hours by Growth School. It is not that much detailed course about ChatGPT and AI tools, but you might have seen this course many YouTubers are recommending, and they are sponsoring many YouTubers to promote their courses. But yes, this video is not sponsored. I have just started the channel. Who is going to sponsor us? Okay. So, but if you want to get high quality learning about how to use the basic ChatGPT and some most powerful tools, you can go with this course. You will also get a certificate after you complete this. The price is also reasonable, so you can go with that. But if you want to really get into it, I would suggest you either you go with the Coursera course or with the ChatGPT by Udemy course. So now, as we have discussed about the courses, all the free and paid ones, to get the enroll links, I have listed them in a single blog page. So to get it, you just have to follow 3 simple steps. Go to Google and search for best ChatGPT courses by abita.com. The second step is you have to just click on this link. So here I have listed all the courses. If you go to enroll for free button, you will get the course. Now if you're watching till the end and if you have found your course, please give it a like, or if you haven't, you can dislike the video and let me know in the comment section that what was the fault. I would try to correct it in the next video. Thanks for watching.